Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to update our phone date in your Motorola phone. Means guys, you want to change your phone date, so as you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change phone date in Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So then first of all, open your phone setting to change your phone date. Then guys, scroll system setting, tap here date and time, click on date. So as you can change your date from here. As you want to change month, so as you can change your month from here. So guys, you want to change your phone date, so you can change from here. So guys, you can change like 20, 21, 22, 23, and guys, you will have to click on this OK option. So as you can see guys, 23 July 2022 guys, your phone date has changed in Motorola phone. So like that guys, you can change your phone date in your Motorola phone. So are you friends who have understood how to change phone date in Motorola phone? So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.